Since this machine is not gonna like run full time, we decided to add an extra circuit breaker to kill everything, including the fire suppression and all of that. So the wiring for the ground was removed, and we found a new spot for the extra circuit breaker. A hole was drilled to have a mounting point for it. We had some new wiring done for it, so that was fed up there. I later rerouted it a little outside of that clamp with all the hydraulic, or that mount with all the hydraulic hoses. The ground point down towards the chassis was way down there, quite hard to get it back in place, but well worth it, I hope. Drilled some holes, added some paint to reduce rust, starting to assemble it in place. Cut a slot in a little piece of sheet metal because it was kind of a thin nut, the bottom one, to not put too much stress on the mounting points for the wiring. With everything bolted in place, it was just about securing the cables. Here I have it outside the guide for the hydraulic hoses, and tightening up with a luggage strap so it won't go anywhere. Reconnected the battery, the ground connection for the battery that now passes through that extra circuit breaker, so that can be killed. If it sits for a longer period of time, it won't drain the battery, and we don't have to go in and lift the ground connection. Added some grease, this electric grease, to the switch handle itself, and all done. Also added a little carabiner to lock the hatch in the back. The ladder didn't want to flip down every time, it needed a little help pushing it down. Common problem on these, and we looked a little at it and realized we needed a longer bolt because it's adjustable. We didn't have one, so we welded a nut onto the existing bolt, and now it falls down every time as it should. Easy fix. Would have been easier with a longer bolt, but a welded nut on there works fine.